Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write and add your cover letter to your profile on the Bayt.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below, which is the third option. Then scroll down until you find the cover letters section. Tap on add cover letter, add the title. For example, this one. And after that, start typing in your cover letter. As you can see, you have a 3000 character limit. After typing it in, tap on the save button at the top of the screen, and as you scroll down, you're going to find some tips how to write a good cover letter. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.